let's turn side and carefully come up. Now we're going to do some extension of our legs. So I am going to use this one and set this out of the way. And we are going to go down onto our belly. So you're going to flip over onto your belly. And then bring this a little onto your thighs. It doesn't have to be very much. And then I'm going to leave my head off the ground just a tiny bit because of the microphone. But you can put your head all the way down onto your hands. You're going to squeeze the legs together, pull the belly button in, and press the hips to the ground as much as you can. Inhale, reach the right leg out long. Now as you exhale, you're just going to lift it off the ground here. Make sure your knees are straight. So you may want to bend your knee. That's not what we're trying to do. I want you to keep the leg straight and pull the belly up and in. And then let's lower that right leg down. Inhale, reach the left leg out long. Now exhale, lift it up. Make sure you didn't bend that knee. Inhale, stay. Exhale, lower it down. Inhale, right leg out. Exhale, lift. Check your shoulders. They should be nice and soft. If you brought them up by your ears, you need to draw them down and pull your tummy in more. And lower down. Inhale, left leg out. Exhale, shoulders down as you lift the leg and hollow the abs. Inhale, stay, and exhale, lower. Let's do it again. Inhale, out. Exhale, lift. Inhale, stay. Exhale, lengthen as you lower. Other leg, inhale, out. Exhale, lift. Inhale, stay. Exhale, lower. One more time. Reach. Exhale, lift with a straight knee. Reach and lower down. Reach. Exhale, lift. And reach and lower down. Rest. If you can press yourself back up and go into child's pose, so long as this doesn't bother your hips. Or you can flip over onto your back and bring your knees into your chest if you need to do that. Whew. Okay, we're going to do one more. All right. So what you're going to do is we're going to use a thicker pillow. I can leave that there and just use this one. You're going to flip it. And you actually can take your hands over top if you need to. So if you have some wrist issues, you can put your hands over top like this. And then we can use this one. If you have some knee issues, you can take a little blanket and you can just put your knees right up on top of there, and then it'll make being uncomfortable more comfortable. All right, so we're going to extend our legs behind one at a time. I want you to keep neutral. So your belly is in, your back is in neutral. And when you move, you're going to try to avoid swaying those hips side to side. You're going to try to stay right in the middle as much as you can. All right, here we go. Inhale, reach your right leg out. Now exhale, lift it up. Notice I didn't bend the knee. Inhale, down. Exhale, bring it in. Try to make sure that you don't let your shoulders pinch together and your head go forward. Keep them wide. Keep your head out and away. Inhale, reach the left leg out. Exhale, lift it up. Try keep the knees straight. Inhale, down. Exhale, bring it in. Inhale, reach. Exhale, lift. Inhale, lower. Exhale, bring it in. Inhale, reach. Exhale, lift. Inhale, lower. And bring it in. 3 more times. Inhale, hollow the abs, reach. Exhale, lift. Lower. And in. Other leg, reach. Hollow the abs as you lift. Keep the knees straight. Lower. And in. 2 more sets if you can. Reach. Lift. Lower. And in. A reach. Lift. Lower. One more time for fun. Inhale, exhale, inhale, bring it in, and inhale, exhale, inhale, bring it in. Nice. If you can rest back into child's pose. Okay. Can move our pillows out of the way. And we can do a little release on our back. So if you can, you're going to flip down onto your back. You can have your pillow if you want, or just move it out of the way. Now, pull your abs in, and I want you to pull one knee into your chest and grab onto the knee. See how this feels in your hip? And just let that release there. And then if you can, let that leg go out. And we're going to bring the other knee in. And let that leg go out. And bring the first leg back in. Now, if you want, you can try straighten your leg a little bit. All right? You can have a flexed foot, a pointed foot. Reach your tailbone down, and your knee probably won't straighten. That's fine. Just go to where you can go and get a little release in the back of your leg. And then bring that knee in and let it go down. And bring the other knee in. Now reach the tail to neutral and try extend the leg. Again, your knee may not straighten, that's fine. Try not to tuck your pelvis under. Keep energy in that bottom leg on the ground, so don't let it fall asleep on you. And bend the knee in and lower down. Let's turn side and come up. Well, you've made it through the basic hip routine. You did a great job. If you have energy, you can move into the intermediate one, which is coming up next. Upside Down Pilates uninterrupted with no commercials or ads. You can watch all the full 1-hour episodes of Upside Down Pilates on all your devices. Visit www.upsidedownpilates.com to sign up now.